Alright, so, in conclusion, it's definitely worth the buy. This is the, don't know what kit this actually was out of. I think it was like $179 or something. Yep. So as you can see, I mean, I've got the Ryobi, the Milwaukee, porta cable. The drill is actually at my mom's house at the moment. So I've got multiple brands, so I'm not biased towards any particular one brand. My uncle's got the Ryobi. I've been using porta cable for years. I also got some Bauer. My brother's actually got the Bauer drill and drill driver. I mean, I got, you know, they're 1/2 inch and they're 3/8 inch. The 1/2 inch, we're getting off topic, but that's for another video anyway. Came with a nice bag. So the only reason there's more Ryobi than Milwaukee is I like being on a budget, and this is a lot more expensive than this by a lot. But overall, I took lug nuts off, took a CV axle nut off, no problems. Obviously, you know, 1/2 inch fuel would have done it all day, you know. But no complaints, definitely worth my money. Looking forward to putting it in the truck. That was the original reason for purchasing, was for just managing, being on the road, hauling stuff, and winding up and down stabilizer jacks, or any number of various things that a drill driver and a drill could be used for, is why I bought them. And because I've already got, you know, the Ryobi air compressor, I've already got the 1 gallon shop vac. So I'm like, well, if this is already what's in the truck, why not get something else? Because I mean, I'm not just going to toss, you know, Milwaukee in the back of the truck and never use it. I mean, it's a little costly to throw that in the back of a truck and not only use it a couple times a year. But overall, thumbs up. I will buy again for sure. I'm going to cut the video here, and the next one will be 22-inch hedge trimmer. So we'll catch you on that one. Thanks for tuning in, and have a good one. I hate when I do that. Anyway, we already did this side with this. Since I hit the button there and I stopped recording, I'll do this side. So I was like, you know, since I got this kit, I think this is like, that's what those are. I was wondering, like, you know, I wonder if this would work. So I got the 1/4 to 3/8, 3/8 to 1/2, and then I got the extension on there because, you know, why not make this fun, right? So this guy's truck I work on a lot, on and off as it needs stuff. Doing some CV axles, and I'm like, you know what? Let's grab this new one and give it a shot, right? Considering I got my M18 fuel that'll rip these off all day. And I know these are torqued at 110 foot-pounds because that's what I torqued them at last time I worked on this truck. And as you see, get this back off. Typical, you know, chromes. I had to work a little bit at that one. So that's kind of impressive, honestly, for not being what it's designed for. Kind of zips them off. Had to work a little at that. But yeah, it's honestly quite impressive for what that is. Considering I've got kind of all three of these. You know, I got the drill driver now in the Ryobi 1 Plus HP. I've got the Milwaukee version of it. I got my super old porta cable one, which I can't seem to kill. I don't know, I've got probably 5 years on this thing, and I've used it for a lot of stuff. This I don't have a lot of run time on, but it does absolutely everything I ever wanted to. Yeah, so kind of impressed. So yeah, the whole point to purchasing this was to potentially take off lug nuts for a trailer or something, or wind up stabilizer jacks. So now I know it'll definitely take off lug nuts, and that's just on a 2 amp hour battery. And then this will get tossed in the truck along with the bag it came with. So I'll have also a 4 amp hour battery in my, you know, it goes in this case or whatever. Pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to get back to getting this guy's truck done.